back to my channel. In today's video we are going to unbox yet another Gold Country orchids haul. As you guys know, I have some orchids from Gold Country. I ordered 10 around Christmas time. They're doing really well. A lot of them are in bloom, so I wanted to order a couple more orchids from them. I think they have really good deals, and honestly they have a lot of species and other orchids that are a little bit harder to find. They don't have a website, so you have to reach out to them and email them for their latest list. Otherwise, they get back to you pretty quickly and then you can place your order. So let's see what's in this box here. I already know what I've ordered, but let's unbox it together. Looks like everything is packed really well as usual. They put a lot of this fluffy material, so that's good. Looks like everything's protected. I'm gonna get these out, then we'll open them up. All right, we have a pile here that we'll start opening. All right, let's start with this one over here. A couple of these are going to friends, so I'll let you guys know which ones I'm keeping and which ones are going to some other folks. But let's see. These are packed really, really well. Lots of protection here. Why am I trying to break this newspaper when I could just tug gently? So, ooh, this one is Cattleya Sincorana Coerulea. So this is it. I'm trying to remember if this is going to my mom or a friend, but I got 2 Sincoranas, one Alba with Coerulea and one Coerulea. Now that I think about it, this one's going to my mom, and I believe I got the Alba crossed with Coerulea, and my friend also got Alba Coerulea, but this one looks really nice. I believe this used to be known as the Laelia Sincorana, if I'm not mistaken, but looks good. Looks nice and healthy. A couple of bulbs, and this one should stay pretty small. So this is the first one. All right, let's open up the second one and see what we've got. So let's see what's here. Oh, it's in a clay pot, whatever this is. Ooh, let's see. Oh, I remember this. This was, my mom wanted this one. So this is Dendrobium Jenkinsii. This looks nice. Look at those new roots. My mom is gonna start mounting her orchids to make some room, and I think this is a good candidate. Look at those roots. Those nice bulbs in the back there. Nice. So this is the Dendrobium Jenkinsii. I have a little bit of FOMO. I wish I got this. This one has really pretty flowers. It's in a 2.5-inch clay pot, and it's got some canes with some new growths. I think she's really gonna like this. I wish I got it. Maybe in my next order. But I was on the fence on this, but it's nice and small. Very pretty. So this is number 2. All right, number 3. There might be 2 in here. It looks a little bit wider. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, this is like such therapy opening this up after a long day of work. All right, we've got 2. So this is one for me and one for someone else. Let's see what it is. It's probably the other Sincorana. Let's see. Oh, I see what it is. I see the tag. This is larger than I expected. Okay. Clearing this out, clearing this out, clearing this out. All right. Let me get this one up as well. All right. So this one is the Cattleya Orchidglade Orange Sherbert crossed with Self. So this one had really, really, really pretty flowers. They were like orange and they were pink. This was a nice one. This one was advertised as near blooming size. Overall, they look good. And I'll show you the picture on them. But this one is Cattleya Orchidglade Orange Sherbert crossed with Self. You guys will see the picture and you'll see exactly what it looks like. It's really, really pretty. And I am sending one of these to Ray Ray's garden. I will link Ray's channel down below so you can check him out. But he is also a local grower here in the New York area. He's out in New Jersey, but we live close to each other, and I can't wait to get this to him. These are gonna be some nice ones. Hopefully they bloom within a year. That'll be nice. All right, this is the 5th one that we're opening up. So far they're looking good. Hopefully I'm gasping less than last time when I got those Vandas. Okay, we've got 2 here. Let's see what they are. No, we've got 4. Okay. All right, so we've got a bundle. So instead of 5, this is 6, 7, and 8. And let's start with this one. Ah, yes. This is the Laelia Sincorana variation Alba, crossed with the Coerulea version. So this is the one I'm sharing with my friend Natalie, and I am also keeping one. So the other Sincorana is going to my mom, I believe, and I will keep one of these. Looks really cute. They're pretty small. Can't wait to get the tape off to see the inside, but I really like the Laelia types. They're really nice. This one is Cattleya Sincorana Coerulea. So one of these will go to my friend, and I'm keeping one of them. It's hard to keep track, but these are really nice. Very pretty. All right, let's look at these others. Which ones are they? Ooh, this one has a sheath. I remember I ordered this one. This one is the Cattleya Harem Girl, which is a cross between the Cattleya luteola crossed with the Schilleriana. I was not expecting a little sheath here, but this one I remember distinctly. It had a green flower. Very, very pretty. I remember looking at it and I loved it. So excited it has a little sheath coming in, and maybe it'll stay pretty small, but overall, this looks really healthy. That's a new growth here. We've got a couple of bulbs in the back. We've got like 4 bulbs all together. These 2 are the most mature, rather the 2 newest bulbs. But look at that. Really excited for it. So this is Harem Girl. Next up, ooh, we've got a lot of new roots coming in. This one, ooh, yes. I requested this one. This is the Hippodamia crossed with the Cattleya Small World. So I have a Hippodamia. And I really like that combination. Anything with a Clandier, I really, really like. This looks nice and healthy. Small World had like a green flower. It was really nice. And this is really, really pretty. So this one is the Brassocatlia Hippodamia crossed with the Cattleya Small World. Very nice one. Hopefully we can get some blooms soon. It'll probably be on the next growth. All right, let's open the next batch. I've lost track already of the ones that I've opened. Let's see what's inside. So far, I'll say the packing is top notch. It's looking good. I'm trying to remember what this is. Oh, I think I have an idea. I think this is for Ray. Let's see. He ordered a bigger one. I ordered a bigger one too of something else. Ah, this was one that I ordered. So this is Cattleya Jungle Eyes. I saw this on the Gold Country Orchids Instagram. I will link that for you guys down below to check it out. But I saw it, and that's why I placed the order. I saw this Jungle Eyes, and I really wanted it. And he had to divide it from the mother plant, I believe, and it's really nice. So this one has just very pretty spotted flowers. As I mentioned, I really like anything with a Clandier in it. And this one has a Clandier, and it just has this bright, speckled, bright yellow flowers. It's really, really pretty. This looks nice and healthy. This is a new growth over here. Not a fan of moss with my Cattleya, so I'll probably change it out, but I'd imagine they use this in the nursery out in Northern California. It's dry over there, whereas in New York it's moist. So I wouldn't use it here, but I would probably use it over there. just given that the West Coast is much drier. So I always think about how they do this, and this is probably working really well out in California. Since they have dry conditions, it makes total sense that they put the Cattleyas in moss where things will dry out. Here it's much more humid, so we don't need moss as much for the Cattleya. We can use a mixture generally, but looks really good. So this is Cattleya Jungle Eyes. Alrighty, let's open up this next one. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe this one is raised. Let's see. Again, these are packed really well. Oh yes, Cattleya Intermedia. Or Intermedia. Let's see. This is Cattleya Intermedia. Variation Coerulea. I believe that says Coerulea. I'm trying to remember. But I placed this order for Ray. We like to order together. It's got it's pretty mature. It looks like it has some new roots coming out. I'll take this out towards the end so we could get a better look. But I will also show you the flowers on what this one looks like. So this is Cattleya Intermedia. All right, here's our last little bundle. Our little bundle of joy. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. I think I remember this one. Yes. Okay, this was actually the division. So I think maybe Jungle Eyes, I think, was a division. And then a Small World. So Cattleya Small World was on the Gold Country Orchids Instagram page as well. They had to divide this off the mother plant. So I remember I emailed and wanted to check in to see if I can get a piece of this one. Remember, this one is crossed with the Hippodamia I got as well, so I will have the parent for this one. I am excited to see that this one has fresh new growth over here. It's a nice size division. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 canes. Yeah, about 7 canes altogether. Looks good. Yeah, hopefully this new growth will bloom for me. Hopefully. It's just been divided, so it may take some time, but maybe later in the summer or in the fall. But this looks good. This is Cattleya Small World Little Gem, and that's the last one. Alrighty guys, so that is my haul. A couple of these are going to my mom. Jenkinsii is going to my mom, and one of the Laelias is going to my mom. Another Laelia is going to my friend Natalie, and then we've got 2 going to Ray. But overall, I'm keeping the rest. And this is a really nice order. Everything looks healthy. I wish I ordered 2 Jenkinsii eyes. I didn't realize they were that small. And look at the new root growth. I think I'm obsessed with these little bulbs. They're so freaking cute. The Laelias also look really good. They're nice and small. I think I need to do more of these Laelias. Like, look at that. As usual, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already to see updates on these orchids. I do post unboxings, but I like to give updates, whether they're 6 months from now, a year from now. I'll keep you guys updated on how these guys are doing. I do normally, I do post monthly updates on my orchids and share things that that have changed over time, but I do like to go back to these hauls after a couple of months to show you how they're progressing. And you guys will see updates on my Sunset Valley Orchids order, on the Gold Country order from last time. You guys already have seen an update on Carmela Orchids from a year ago. So I follow these along so you can see progress over time, make sure I haven't killed them and that they're thriving. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.